be starting off by applying a little bit of concealer on top of my eyes, and I'm starting off directly with the concealer just because I have a whole base routine on my channel, so you can go and check that out. I practically do the same base every time. So I would be applying this concealer and then just blending it out with the beauty blender. You need to make sure that you have a good base for your eyeshadow to sit on it, and don't go and powder the base. If you do powder the base, then do it very very slightly, as we are working with a lot of colors today. So if you make the base a little bit sticky, then the colors will look even more vibrant. I would be starting off with this bright shade from the Makeup Revolution Tammi X Tropical Carnival palette, and I would be applying it on top of my waterline. And don't apply it on your whole lid. We are focusing to make a rainbow eyes today, so I would be starting off with red first. Moving on with this bright yellow color, just make sure that you are applying it just on top of the red. Now you do not have to blend it, just pack the colors on your lid and later on you can blend it with the red shade so that it makes a beautiful gradient. Moving on with this beautiful lime green shade, and I would be mixing it with the yellow so that it looks very very beautiful and gradient. And if you can see that I am just making a small wing as I am going upwards. Then I would be directly going in with this indigo shade, and I am taking this light blue shade to blend it out very very seamlessly with the green shade. Then we can move ahead with the darker blue. This will give a very good radiant to the eyes. Just make sure that you are packing the color first and then blending it with the previous color. If you do not pack the color first, then you are not going to get the maximum potential of the color. Moving on with the very last color, that is purple. So I am applying the purple color on top of the blue. So you just apply a little bit of purple and you are good to go. Then I'm taking this Lakme Insta liner to just make a small wing on the inner corner to tie the whole look together. For the lower lash line, just apply a little bit of kajal and then smudge it with a pencil brush or a angle brush as I am using here. And if you want to make the same color combination on the lower lash line, but as my friend has just done it on the lid, so I have skipped it. Then just coat your lashes with a good amount of mascara and you are done with the eye makeup. Just apply a little bit of blush, and here I am using the blush from Sugar. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Make sure that you are not applying too much of blush as this is a bright look, so a lot of blush will not look good. Quickly moving on to the lips, I would be applying this lip liner from Incolor. This is a beautiful formula and I've talked about this lip liner previously on my channel, so you can go and check that video out. So here I am using this soft brown shade. For the lipstick today, I would be using this Demi matte lipstick from Nykaa, and this is in the shade Basic. So this is a very beautiful nudie shade, but it has a little bit of peach tint to it, so it will look very beautiful with the eye makeup. As the lips was looking a little more peachy, so I wanted to mute the color. So here I am using the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Venus. So this is a very nude shade, so it will tone the lipstick nicely. And that's the finished look, you guys. This look turned out so pretty and bold, so it looks very good on camera, and it would be looking amazing on photo shoots as well. So if you end up trying out this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use my hashtag FamJumpWithPooja so that I can stalk you guys and I can repost all your beautiful looks. So yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.